Have you heard the word Docker and seen the images of containers and wondered what is this technology? This video is about the Docker and we'll talk what is Docker, why we use it, and how you can learn. Let's go with an intro before diving deep. Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to discuss about the Docker. A Docker is a technology in which we can ship some application very fast. It is a containerized environment. When I say containerized, I mean it provides a shell for an application. Let me walk you through a scenario. Let's say you are building an application, client server application, and you are running a server. You are using Express, let's say. Then you run in your local environment npm run dev, or if you are using some Python framework, then you might run some other commands. And if you use Java environment, then you use Tomcat server. So based on different technology, you run some commands, and that command works because you have installed some dependencies on your machine. Let me talk about Node.js. So if you're using Express, then you must have installed Node.js and other libraries as well before running that command. But as you see, these are the servers, and for any application, there are many servers which has to be run for make it a scalable system. So on every machine, we have to install all the dependencies. And if there is any mismatch in the version, then it will create a havoc. It's very difficult to scale. That's why we developed these containerized services like Docker. Docker helps us to put all the dependencies into a small machine. We can call it a machine called Docker. It has its memory and CPU, which is allocated when we run a Docker. So this helps us to abstract the application environment within a small Docker, and we can use this Docker on any machine. We can transfer it to different people and share it to run the application without installing anything except running your Docker, because it has its all the dependencies. In a distributed environment, Docker has created a very seamless experience for creating client server applications, or for that matter, any application. You should try Docker, which is available open source, and you can run with just a single command. You can see the documentation of Docker. It provides the documentation. You can see the documentation of Docker. You have to install a CLI and then run some commands. It will be as easy as it is. So I hope you have understood the meaning of what is Docker and where we have used. I will put some links in the description section which will provide some open source Docker and applications, and documentation links for Docker, which will help you to learn the commands which are applicable for Docker and running any Dockerized application. So if you have any other question, let me know in the comment section. I will try to address that. And if you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe to the channel. That will help us to grow this channel. If you like this video, it will keep YouTube Baba happy. So I hope you have understood the meaning of Docker. And this is BK from Aneka.